Looking for the perfect glass ceramic cooktop for your kitchen? Today we're counting down the top 5 models, from budget-friendly basics to powerhouse performers, so you can find exactly what fits your needs. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Karinear Cooktop, a compact 2-burner unit that's all about flexibility and space saving. If you've got a small kitchen, an RV, or just need a secondary cooktop, this one might catch your eye. It's one of the few electric cooktops that plugs directly into a standard outlet, no hard wiring required. It features a sleek glass surface with touch controls, a built-in timer, child lock, and hot surface warning. The large burner gives you 9 adjustable heat levels, while the smaller one keeps things simple with just high and low. It's light, slim, and even comes with mounting brackets if you want to drop it into your countertop. But this little guy has its limits. With only 2,000 watts total, it's not designed for heavy-duty cooking. The smaller burner lacks fine control, and the radiant heating technology means you won't get the rapid response of more advanced models. If you're cooking for a crowd or using large pans, this probably isn't your match. That said, if portability and plug-and-play convenience are what you need, the Karinear gets the job done without fuss. And hey, if you're interested in checking it out, you'll find links to all the cooktops we're reviewing today down in the description below, always at the best available price. Coming in at number 4 is the NOXTON Cooktop, a solid upgrade from the Karinear with double the burners and a big jump in power. It's built for everyday cooking, offering a sleek, modern design with all the basic safety features you'd expect. You get 4 burners with a mix of power levels, controlled by a smooth touch panel. It's simple to operate, has 9 heating stages, and includes auto shutoff and child lock for peace of mind. It's the kind of cooktop that fits comfortably into most kitchens without overcomplicating things. However, it's still not the most powerful on the list, and being a radiant glass cooktop, it heats slower and cools down less efficiently than induction models. The surface can be fragile too, so no slamming down heavy pots here. Overall, this one is great for average households that want a clean design, decent performance, and solid safety features without going over budget. If you're still watching, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more smart reviews coming your way. In the third spot, we've got the GASLAND Cooktop, which gives us a nice jump in both usability and performance. With 6,600 watts across 4 burners and a thoughtful design that includes dual ring zones, it offers a lot more control and flexibility than the lower ranked units. You can adjust the burner size to match your pot, which makes cooking more efficient. The touch controls are responsive and intuitive, and it comes with a built-in timer, auto shutoff, and child safety lock. It's the kind of cooktop that balances power and practicality. Now, while it's an improvement, it's still using radiant heat. That means slower heat adjustments compared to induction. Also, with a built-in design, it does require proper installation and space, which might be a stretch for tight kitchens. But if you want a more refined cooking experience without going all in on pro-grade gear, GASLAND makes a really smart choice. Runner-up goes to the Jessier Cooktop, a powerful, full-featured appliance that's great for big meals and multitasking. With 5 burners and 8,400 watts, this unit is built for serious cooking while keeping safety and design at the forefront. The layout is generous, and the controls are all touch-based for a seamless look. You also get a pause button, a long-range timer, and all the necessary safety alerts. One unique bonus here is the reinforced metal frame that adds a bit of protection around the edge of the glass. On the downside, it's a radiant cooktop, so it shares the same responsiveness issues as others in its class. Plus, with 5 burners and high wattage, you'll need a solid electrical setup to support it. If you cook a lot, use multiple pots at once, or just want to upgrade to something larger and more capable, this one absolutely deserves your attention. At number 1, the top spot goes to the ECOTOUCH Cooktop, hands down the most powerful and versatile model in this lineup. With 9,600 watts spread across 5 burners, including multi-ring zones, it's a serious tool for serious cooking. What sets this one apart is the burner flexibility. Whether you're boiling, simmering, or frying, there's a perfect zone for it. Even though it uses knob controls instead of touch, it's smooth and responsive, and the cooktop surface is still sleek and easy to clean. Like all Radiant cooktops, you'll have to wait a bit for it to cool down, and it does need to be hardwired, but given the sheer performance and cooktop space, those are easy trade-offs. If you're looking for a cooktop that can keep up with any kitchen demand, and you've got the space and wiring for it, this one's a beast. Don't forget you can find the best deals on all these cooktops in the links down in the description. Now, still deciding? Just check out the top products from today's list using the links below in the description. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if this helped you out. We've got tons more practical reviews and buying guides coming your way.